To go with the smoke alarm, because couldn't just use that on its own in the end, I bought this, the D-Link Smart Home Security Kit, which has got the hub, an alarm, siren thingy-majigger, a window sensor or door sensor, and a camera. Camera I don't really need, but hey ho, it's a package. All I'm going to do in this video is make it nice and short, hopefully, and just open this box. Now, it's a bit of an awkward one, because it's, well, I say awkward, a silly box, because there's the tabs there just for easily opening, like so, yet the security seals are on the bottom, which is very strange and stupid. But it would appear this is just literally a box of bits that you can buy all separately. So number one is the hub. I'll take this off of there and just stick them all there. The camera, number 2. The window sensor is number 3, and the siren is number 4. And that box is just silly. Why make it the way they did? But never mind. There you go. That's what you get in this box. So that's what I'm going to do for this video, because I'm going to undo each box individually, because then it's easier. Thanks for watching this one. Thumbs up, subscribe, all of that stuff. Just check what this is. In that there's a QR code for setting up the hub, I should imagine. But that's what you get in this box. So subscribe, thumbs up, all of that stuff, and join me on the next one, because I'm going to start opening these individually. Thanks for watching.